When it comes to duck hunting, I think one thing that's really overlooked hunting out of a boat is the use of a GPS in your boat. Because let's face it, 9 times out of 10 when you go duck hunting, you're either going out in the dark or you're coming back in the dark. And a lot of times what you have happen in the fall is you have those cooling temperatures around water, is you get a lot of fog. And the last thing you want to be driving your boat through is the fog in the dark. And so having a GPS to know either where the islands are or where you're going in general, at least to get you to your spot, is very important. At the end of the day, yes, we have our phone, but to have it right in front of us is very important. But secondly, are the trails that you accumulate. Because let's face it, a lot of times you're navigating through cattail marshes, it might be wild rice or cane beds, you know, where you have small trails or openings where you're coming through to get into a pocket. And so knowing those in and out areas very easily, being able to duplicate those in the darkness by just simply following your trail that was made on your GPS also makes life a lot easier. But a nice thing Lowrance also have is a lot of these units come standard with a satellite overlay. And let me tell you, that satellite overlay comes in handy more times than not to see where some of these pockets are that you're trying to get to. So to me, having a GPS on a duck boat is a very important tool, not only for safety, but for navigating in the darkness.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.